I'm just sad that there's no shirtless muscle guys here for me today.
Well, I'm about to change that.
Oh, you are?
Oh, yeah. Check it out, these dudes are fishing. He's got his waders on, look at this. He's ready. Are you ready?
What? Oh, you're filming. Hello, camera. Hello, LYFT. How you doing? We were talking about it, and we were like, okay, we got a couple more days left of, you know, Christmas vacation, holiday vacation. What do you want to do?
I think we're going to Venice, maybe? Go down to...
Oh yeah, that was on the list. We had like...
We're hungry. Let's go down to Venice. Okay. See what's going on down there.
Fuel rods. Not just for Disney.
We're almost down there.
We're pretty
Got
close.
my chauffeur over here.
Your chauffeur, isn't it nice when Katie drives? Normally you always drive, but we were like, you know what?
I usually do, yeah.
For videoing purposes, it's KT behind the wheel.
Which is a little scary, I have to say.
Is it?
Yeah.
You're holding onto your oats handle?
Yeah, one hand on the camera, the other hand
Oh shoot handle. That's what we'll call it. Oh shoot handle.
Yeah.
Oh shoot!
But we're headed to Venice Beach. We're gonna go get something to eat on Abbot Kinney, I believe. There's usually some good food and restaurants and coffee shops, and it's kind of the cool little hipster zone of Venice Beach.
It's my first time going there to that specific spot, so I'm really excited to check it out and see, you know, what it's like. And I'm honestly like so hungry. All I had today was, I think, a couple pieces of toast for breakfast, so it's now 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, we're both starving. We both had
Yo girl is hungry. Need me to get my double cheese patty on. I'm ready.
She's hungry. I have duties to fulfill.
Yeah, feed me.
Let's go. Alright, we're on Abbot Kinney, just looking for something to eat because we're just kind of wandering, because I've been down here a few times, but I don't really know it that well, so we're kind of going to try to stumble on something. A fellow muralist, artist friend of mine, Clinton Bopp, painted this mural here. Pretty cool. He's very talented. There's stuff that goes all the way around the back in the alley, so if you're down here in Abbot Kinney, come check out the art. Artists like Clinton and others are featured here. There's his logo. There's Clinton's logo there. Bopp, Clinton Bopp. But the detail, amazing. Oh, here's his, there you go, there's his logo and his @Clinton Bopp. Go follow him and check out his art, especially if you're down here. Pretty cool, huh, Katie?
I love it. I love all the colors.
Yeah. Yeah, look at the hummingbird. And Zippy. Good job, Clinton. Talented artist. Check him out. Artist called Greg Mike. Sick. Super clean graphic. As you guys know, I'm down with that style. So we're coming in here to the, what is it called, Katie?
The Butcher's Daughter.
The Butcher's Daughter. That must be the Butcher's Daughter's bike. She's been collecting flowers and things. thank you.
Yeah, so
Margarita pizza. Are you ready for that?
I am really
Look, we already have the trays there. We have our bottle of water. Is that artisanal water?
I don't know what it is, but it's good. It's water. I'm so thirsty.
Look at this latte that you got. Is this a cold or a hot? What is
It's
this?
a hot latte, but it comes in a glass. We haven't seen that before. It doesn't feel like super, super hot, but it could be thicker glass.
Oh, that's nice though. I like that. It's different.
That is good.
It's a flight of juices, Katie.
We figured they have, like, they're kind of known for juices and stuff, so we're like, you know, why don't we try this?
Yeah, look back there. They've got all those juices back there. We're staring at them. We figured, you know what? Get the flight and a margarita pizza. What the heck? Why not combine these two things?
It was good here.
So this is that wood-fired kind of pizza where that crust is really light and flaky. It looks amazing.
Fresh basil on top, too.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm like, yo.
You're gonna probably need more than that. Here, let's be real here.
Yeah, just...
Let's be real about this. There we go.
That's what's up.
I'm not even gonna argue that either.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
And the Parmesan cheese comes sliding in.
Ooh, it's fresh grated too.
Yeah, that's the kind you want.
Because can you ever really have enough cheese?
Yeah, hit me. Dusted.
Dust that good? Ooh. That is so good.
Wow. Took that thing down quick. Look at that. One left. One lone soldier left.
No, those are 2 pieces.
Oh, that's 2. I see it as 1.
So it says this is the green goddess, or goddess of green. It has kale, cucumber, apple fennel, and blue-green algae.
Wow.
So...
Cheers to that. Blue-green algae.
Wow, that's good.
You just ate algae. How do you feel?
I think it's really good, actually.
Tastes good. It smells like grass. It tastes good. It's got like a
It's good. It's not that. It's very heavy on the cucumber.
It's just enough to have a taste in
Yeah.
it.
Like I taste the cucumber. It's pretty heavy.
It's pure passion right there.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the passion fruit, pineapple, yuzu, orange, and raspberries.
Ooh, I'm gonna like this one.
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That is so good. Doesn't it taste like an orange Starburst?
It does. Kind of tangerine-y too.
It's like an orange Starburst, literally.
Yeah.
That one's good.
It's really good. More.
Thank you. Next.
It's sweet. Very sweet.
Okay, this next one is called the yellow. It's pineapple, jicama, and lemon.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, that one's really good. It tastes like almost like a liquid lemon drop candy. It's like how I'm relating these all to candy, but fruit has such a high sugar content, so.
Well, that is good. But you can taste the jicama too, like the healthy part.
It's good. This next one's just called an orange, so it is Valencia oranges, tangerine, and carrot. I love orange carrot juice, so this I bet I will love. Ooh, that's good. Oh
Really
my
good?
gosh. Oh. It's so good. I think that might be my favorite
This is
next
our
to this one.
Yeah, this is our dessert.
Yeah, this is good. Oh, I could drink that whole thing. All right, orange carrot, baby.
It's good.
You like it?
Carrot, yeah.
You can taste the carrot, but it's not as overpowering. Like, I like...
That's why the fruit kind of helps it out.
Yeah, I love it. I think that one's really good. So which one is your favorite?
That one.
I feel like this is these two are my first favorite, second, third.
That last, yeah.
Yeah.
The green ones always have a tendency to have that.
Really greeny. It's too cucumbery for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a little too cucumbery for me. All right. We're gonna finish these juices.
It's a flight.
isn't.
All right, that was really fun. I'm on the table like that pizza commercial. We're out here. We're gonna go hit Abbot Kinney and do more fun stuff. All right, lunch was good, and we came right outside the restaurant, and there was a couple of the old LYFT scooters. Well, these are the newer ones to us. We've never done the LYFT. We have the Bird and the Lime apps, but we don't have the LYFT app, and I'm downloading it right now so we can get moving and go check out the sunset down at the beach. Oh no, you found a bell. Oh no, it's not good. There goes Katie. There it is. It's too cold today though, so nobody's here like with their shirt off working out. I'm gonna get in there and pump some iron right now. Kind of, you know, loosen up. Just show these guys what's up. These machines are all for my taking. I'm gonna go work out, so you can do if you want to go do a few laps. I'm gonna go pump some iron.
I'm just sad that there's no shirtless muscle guys here for me today.
Well, I'm about to change that.
Oh, you are?
Oh yeah. Hey Katie, I found your shirtless guy.
Hi.
There he is. Yeah. Okay, as the sun sets over Venice Beach, we say goodbye to you.
I'm just trying to balance here. That's all. Whoa, here we go. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope this was as much of a fun adventure to you as it was to us.
Yeah.
So if you like this video, please make sure to hit your subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up so we know that you dig it.
Yep.
Of course, you can always leave us a comment and tell us too. And of course, if you want to support our channel, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll put all the information in the description right there below.
That's right. We will see you next time on Life, Disney, and Beyond.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.